Hello, hello, it works? Okay. Good morning, everybody. Hello, hello, good morning. Good morning, dear valuable investors. Oh, there are some faces I know now. Everyone is very busy, but there are some people I know. So, it's good to talk investments. I'm myself an investor. I've been investing in blockchain since 2017. And as a developer of projects, now it could be very interesting for investors to see how startups move further and bring results in very short time. So this is the second step after investing. It's seeing the results. So many nice people today. So I have to start because time is running short and I know everyone is busy talking each other. I will move. You will see later what I'm talking about. So good morning, everybody. My name is Luca Lamberti. I co-founded with Animoca Brands 99 Starz, which is a startup that is poised to become probably leader in its niche in the metaverse and gaming industry because we solve the problems of the industry. It's an ecosystem that enables people, games, investors, players to merge into one ecosystem to maximize the results, to maximize the outcome, and to earn more money. And it's all happening through a single platform that someone called the Netflix of gaming, of blockchain gaming, and maybe they are right. These are some of the partners. As I said, Animoca Brands is a co-founder, the shareholder of the company, and we have many more valuable. These are only few out of 50 investors so far. What we've done as a startup, when we started at the beginning of a bearish market, where people put the money and they don't know what's happening to the projects, we released the token in advance of our schedule. Then we created a custom wallet in advance of our schedule. Then we launched the alpha in advance of our schedule. And we are already integrating games in advance of our schedule. Basically, during the bear market where everybody's losing money, more or less, we are going faster than forecasted. What is 99 Starz ecosystem? 99 ecosystem, as you can see, is at the center of the industry. It merges with players, games, investors, guilds, and collectors, NFT collectors, and NFT investors. We are about to launch the integration with some of the initial games, including, for example, in exclusivity, Benji Bananas, which is the #1 ranked DApp for blockchain gaming at the moment with 50 million downloads. So you'll hear about it soon. And the games, we help games actually find new audience, manage the relationships with their guilds, and we're already on 3 major blockchains: Polygon, Binance Smart Chain, and Ethereum. Okay. We democratized the access to the games and to the power of blockchain gaming to all kinds of levels, to all kinds of players. Okay. First of all, we have no fees, no requirements for the bronze level, and other 2 levels where there are some little requirements. And it is very good, especially for the investors in a highly expensive NFTs and assets, and for the gamers that cannot access, the gamers, the players that are skilled, but they cannot have access to those assets. Basically, not everyone in the world can buy $5,000, $10,000 in assets to play a game. We can democratize this. Something is wrong with this key. We have the largest football and racing in-game vault. At the moment, we have more than 30,000 assets for a total value of $8 million. And this is only our guild side, not the other guilds or other investors. This is what we own as a project. And we already make, during the bear market and difficult play to earn industry times, an astonishing $400,000 in few months. And imagine that most of the tokens we earn through gaming are down by 90%. So basically, already generating revenues. There are some screenshots of the current MVP that you can come to our booth and test later. So we are live, actually. We have some unseen solutions for the industry of gaming, which is trustless management of assets, easy onboarding for investors. Investors and guilds can come to our platform. They already have assets for a game. They can just onboard in 2 clicks, and they can create their own guild in our platform. We have a sophisticated platform for manage both the assets and the players and the data and the statistics, which means also valuable data for the game studios. They all want gamers, they all want players. They don't know what the players do. So basically, we tell them what the players do and which assets are worthy. This is very important for the risk management, even for games and for investors in the NFT and metaverse industry. We systematically built, since we incepted in December during the bear market, we did not invest in marketing, in shilling, in market making. Despite we have the best relationships in the industry, we only focused on building. And what we did, 600 lines of codes only for the MVP you see now, 10,000 hours of high-level devs hours work, and the alpha release is already out. So now we're starting to release the alpha, and we're starting to integrate the games, which in the next 2 weeks you're gonna see pretty much on the news on the website. What we are going to do next, because now we are ahead of schedule, the market is very bearish, depressed. So what are we going to do next? With our partners, with Animoca brands, we're going to integrate in the major metaverses and major games. In some cases, we will be the unique solution for renting out assets in trustless way. So I know it's noisy, but trustless NFT management, there's not such in the industry. And we are already out with the alpha. And we already have global partnerships with the major players. So the next goals, that is a promise, because there are a few investors here, and also I just finished to talk with my friend, the chairman of Animoca, Yat, is here, and you will see later. Our promise for the next few months is integrate with more than 50 games, final audit for the platforms with all smart contracts. We want to onboard 100,000, we plan to onboard over 100,000 scorers into our guild, which will make us the biggest, largest guild in the world. We will onboard 100 plus guilds and investors in our platform, which will make this ecosystem by far the largest used ecosystem in the blockchain gaming and the metaverse. And we will finalize all the development, all this by Q3 2023, which means that in about 10 to 12 months maximum, we are going to be finalized 100% with the largest numbers you ever see in the industry. This is on the way. This is planned, and this is going to happen. If any of you, and I'm sure later you will be, and I don't know why, but if any of you is interested in come and see what we're doing, the MVP, and talk to us, we have a small booth here at TDeFi that kindly hosted here, and we are glad to show you the progress of what we have now and more insights about partnerships and the bright future that's waiting for us. I have to thank all the magic investors that we have in our company, the beautiful team, and TDeFi for the hospitality. Thank you so much. Yes.
on the top video. Yeah.